11th session of Manipur Legislative Assembly started today with House Member P. Sharad moved a motion of thanks on Governor Dr. Najma Heptulah's address. House Member S. Rajan seconded the move. Chief Minister N. Biren, who is also the leader of the House, presented the 15th Business Advisory Committee 2021 report in the House. Later, Speaker Y. Kim Jong adjourned the House till tomorrow. A team of Thoubal Commando Unit under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha arrested one active member of the band RPF PLA this morning during random frisking and checking in and around Salingpham area. Ittihadul Ulema Thoubal Moijing has said that it will bestow curse or buddua on all culprits behind the killing of Ribash Khan, a 4-year-old boy from Thoubal district's Moijing Laigwejin. Ittihadul Ulema Thoubal Moijing said a ritual will be performed in this regard. Indian Medical Association (IMA) Manipur branch today carried out a day-long hunger strike at its office complex located at Lamphel, Imphal. The protest was held in support of Safe Healthcare Movement by Indian Medical Association (IMA). Taking part in the hunger strike, IMA Manipur branch president Dr. K. Shyamkumar said that allopathy, homeopathy, and Ayush are different fields and that there is no way that the three can go together. A large number of people of Ketrigao constituency today showed support to former General Secretary of Ketrigao Block Congress Committee, Sheikh Nurul Hassan. Around 1,500 supporters, including former Congress active workers, turned up at the event held at his residence in Ketrigao. Former Assam Chief Secretary Vijendra Singh Jaffa has died of cancer. The retired IAS officer, who had been suffering from cancer for the last 9 years, passed away this morning in Gurgaon. His last rites were performed at Bonsi village on Shona Gurgaon Road on the outskirts of Delhi. Scores of people in Myanmar's largest city honked car horns and banged on pots and pans last evening in the first known public resistance to the coup led a day earlier by the country's military. Several pro-democracy groups had asked people to make noise at 8 p.m. to show their opposition to the coup. A senior politician and close confidante of Suu Kyi also urged citizens to defy the military through civil disobedience, as per media reports. India's COVID-19 tally of cases rose to 1.07 crore with 11,039 new infections being reported in a day, while the recoveries surged to 1.04 crore according to the Union Health Ministry data updated today. The death count increased to 1,54,596 with 110 daily new fatalities, the data updated at 8 a.m. showed. The number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 1.04 crore, pushing the national COVID-19 recovery rate of 97.08%, while the COVID-19 case fatality rate stands at 1.43% as per a media report. The total COVID-19 active cases remained below 2 lakh. In the past 24 hours, COVID-19 cases dropped to single digit in Manipur again. Only 5 new COVID-19 cases were recorded in the same period. Now the total caseload stands at 29,077 according to the State Health Department. A total of 8 patients discharged from home isolations and Raj Medicity. The number of active cases is 138, while the recovery cases stands at 28,568. The state's recovery rate further improved to 98.24%. As many as 210,359 healthcare workers would be vaccinated in Assam in the first phase of the ongoing nationwide COVID-19 vaccination drive. A total of 39,724 health workers have received the COVID-19 vaccines in Assam. Health Ministry to vaccinate over 2 lakh health workers in Assam during first phase. Informing this in the Parliament, Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare Ashwini Kumar Choubey said that 92,61,227 healthcare workers would be vaccinated in 37 states and UTs in phase 1 of vaccination.